If you need to add a calendar file into Google Calendar, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you have an ISX file or a .csv file, importing it into Google Calendar is a quick way to bring in events without manually entering everything. One by one, this is especially useful if you are moving calendars, sharing schedules, or restoring events from another app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. This is important because the calendar you import into will depend on the account you are using. Once Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click Settings again to open the full Calendar Settings page. Now look at the left-hand menu. You should see an option called Import and Export. Click that, and this is where the calendar upload process starts. On this page, you'll see the import tools you need. Next, click Select File from your computer. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse your device for the calendar file you want to upload. Find your ISX or .csv file and select it. The .iscx format is commonly used for calendar exports, while .csv files are often used for spreadsheet-style event data. After choosing the file, you'll also need to select which Google Calendar you want to import the events into. If you only use one calendar, this part is usually simple. But if you have multiple calendars, double-check that you are adding the events to the correct one so everything stays organized. Once the file and destination calendar are selected, click Import. Google Calendar will process the file and add the events to your calendar. Depending on how many events are in the file, this may take a few seconds. After the import finishes, go back to your calendar view and check to confirm that the events were added successfully. If something does not look right, make sure the file format is supported and that you imported it into the correct calendar. And if your events are not showing up immediately, refresh the page and check again. In most cases, the import works quickly and the events appear right away. And that's how to input a calendar into Google Calendar. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and it can save you a lot of time when bringing in multiple events at once. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Calendar tips, and I'll see you in the next one.